Hey everybody, it's time to make some cable lugs for the ends of my solar. So this is going to go from my battery to the charge controller. And they say that I can use the same gauge wire. So I'm using this 6 and 8. I'm just going to melt this right in here. Try to fill this up. All right, I'm spilling the flux. So I got a mini vise here. You love this thing? This is actually my mother. Rest in peace. My mother's vise, and it's just the size that you might think that of, like, okay, this is my mom's vise, but it was like for a craft vise, and it's gonna be perfect for this little soldering job that we're gonna do. So I'm just filling this full of some molten lead here. Wire in there. I'll one hand that baby in there. And I think that's going to be good. Put a little nice shrink wrap on it. And we'll do the other one here. Okay, this is a old school from my collection. This is something I just got out of a welding lug replacement. Yeah. Wait. I want to use this flux. Be easy to forget. All the plumber, before he does his job, I love to watch the plumber when he comes over, and I just hire the plumber as a treat to myself. So I don't have to do it, but I always watch and help. Whenever he does his pipes, it's a completely different matter. Puts on the flux. Man, look at all that flux in there. It's going to be flux-orific. Oh, look at that one. I love that one way more than the last one. All right, thanks to Mom's advice, I got my professional power lugs. Don't forget, shrink tube these babies. They'll be ready to go. I'm telling myself, don't forget. Hey, it's my lucky day. I actually had enough shrink wrap to do these ends. Shrink tube. It's amazing the amount of supplies you have to have around to get one of these projects done from beginning to end. I will put some of this on it though. It's probably off of a Tahoe or a Suburban. Come on, don't make me do you. I don't want to put it on the other way. All right, so this part's going to slide right up by the battery. And so I'll go under the box like that and up. This is probably enough right there to make the loop back into the cupboard. Where the other wire comes up from the solar panel. So I'm going to come up through that floor because these wires are all going to hook in. This thing always reminds me of like that movie, Thinner. By Stephen King. Look, I can see his ribs.